Hi, we're at another car meet. Ooh, nice engine right there. That's what the fuck I'm saying, bro. Wait a second, I gotta get some light on that. Wait a minute.
I'll add some for you, bro.
Thank you. I gotta get some light on this. Gotta get some light on that.
It's like
It's nice, dude. It's so nice.
And then I'll turn it off. I don't, like I said, if anything, like my biggest thing is.
Sorry. It's nice. It's nice.
Alright.
It's going down the line. It's getting the lineup going. We got the Beamers here, looking slick, looking fancy. Another Beamer. The cop car. Now I get a quick shot.
Huh?
No, I forget a quick shot.
Oh no, that's not my car.
Oh, it's not.
No.
I just like how the wheels look and everything. Look nice. It's hard to tell.
Dude, no one's answering. Tom's
They thought I was injected. They thought I died because so everything's gone off.
What do you think? Good thumbnail right there? I don't know. It's always hard to tell. I do with the Mustangs.
Maybe from like the front.
This seems like, for me, I think that's pretty good. Like, I don't know. It's hard to tell. I'll find it out later in the footage. I like that one. I'll take that thumbnail. I like that one. I like both. Oh, I like the Mustang, dude. I love my American muscle. That's me, though.
Stay in that little car, bro.
We've got the Mercedes. We've got the G-Wagon. Got the nice truck. Whew. Beefy. Nice Mercedes. Let's see, get the Supra. There's cops chilling there right there. Gotta get the Supra though. Inside of that?